main issue is the pollution, air and water pollution. And this air and water pollution, there is no air quality index monitors there to measure this air pollution. दूसरे जे मेनन्स ये फिश मिल प्लांट जावं फिश मिल कोते so the people are frustrated कित्याक हें उदो हें घाणी उदो जे ट्रकान हाडटाय इन्सुलेटेड ट्रकान हाडपाक जाय हे कांय सुविधा ना ट्रान्सपोर्ट डिपार्टमेंटाचो सर्क्युलर आहा ही सगळी जे भितलांतल्यान जे नुस्तें हाडटाय ते आख्खे वारोत आख्खे गांवांत सारको वास घान हो मेजर इशू इन्सुलेटेड ट्रक घेनासतना हे आज हे फिश मिलाचे धंदे कोते वेन इंडस्ट्रियल इस्टेट टू वेन्ना इंडस्ट्रियल इस्टेटा भायल्यान कोट तुका बोर्ड घायला कितू पोल्युशन आहा कितलें आहा कितें हांगा कुंकोळ कितें आहा गोबोर कांय ना फ्रॉम द स्टेट हांव सांगो तुका कुंकोलीम इंडस्ट्रियल इस्टेट इट सेल्फ कॅन गिव क्रोर्स ऑफ रुपीज टू दीस गव्हर्मेंट फॉर डेव्हलपमेंट हांकां धरूं जाय हे लोकला हुस्तार धंदो कोते नो वरी अबाउट दॅट बट मेक शुअर दॅट यू डू थिंग्स लिगली नॉट इलिगली. So let us see what he has to do because Chief Minister's sister also is a neighbor there within the industrial estate. His sister is married there. So to chaw pipa I think ataka to was eta astolo el danna to kide ogra to maku yobar. There are two major issues that we discussed with the Honorable Chief Minister. He has assured us, I hope this is just not an assurance how we get in the assembly because now I'm telling this is the 6th time I have warned of a law and order situation and this the locals will create in the interest of the village.
The national highway
so we were given an assurance and it was diverted. Now they basically जो plan ha it was approved by in March 23 this plan was approved to be built on stilts and it had gone for SFC but now the ministry somehow has come backward. I don't know whether there is miscommunication.
Approving it?
Yes. After approving it, they've come backward and they don't want to build on stilts and we will not tolerate.
So you have